Hi folks, Jason here. In this short video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can transfer painting data over onto a material. Now, I recently had a student who'd done some painting on a model and they'd not created a material. So when they went through to the viewport shading, it didn't actually show any of the paint that they'd done. So I wanted to kind of do a quick video just to explain how you do this. So it's actually relatively simple. All we need to do is select the model. Now I'm not going to select the eyes because I've already got a texture on that. I'm going to shift and click on the dungarees and shift and click on the t-shirt. From there, in the materials tab, click on new. From there, click on base color, the little dot there, and I want you to select color attribute. And then from there, press Control and L and go to link materials. And now, if you go through to the viewport shading, it will show all the materials that are on your model. So there we are. Short and sweet. Hopefully that helps you out. And if you did like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, folks, bye for now.